If you are looking for a drone under $400, then you will have to go through a lot of mediocre drones before you find the right one. This blog will look at the best drones under $400 and give you some tips to help you pick the right drone. In this video we will look at some of the best drones for under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, number 1, Ruko F11 Pro drones for under $400. For adult quality, this Ruko F11 drone can be a good option for photo taking and videography. Its 4K HD image quality and stunning video resolution will be perfect for expert works. Besides, if we talk about flight performance, Ruko F11 Pro gives more extended flight performance among all drones in the list. Its GPS tracking provides safe landing and great connection support as well. Overall, packaging has an extra carrying case to make it easy to transport with you anywhere. If you have arranged for purchasing the best drone for under $300, you should go for these feature drone sets without any delay. This is the best drone for travel vloggers. Because of these price ranges, they are providing high facilities for battery and charging processes. As these drones have US register permission, I must say that this is the best drone in all requirements. People will love the Ruko F11 Pro for its foldable design and easy access to travel purposes. The drone size will be rectangular, and the product dimension is 6.9 x 4.1 x 3.15 and lighter weight of 1.1 pounds. It will be 17.5 by 15.9 by 3.2 inches when it unfolds. It's built with a plastic body case to make the drone completely lightweight. Its ultimate weight target is not more than 520 grams. The drone has a registered option in the US. Apart from this, it has beginner-friendly settings of low-speed flight timing and maintenance brushless mode. Its built-in facility gives enough protection from high wind resistance as well. The Ruko F11 Pro 4K UHD camera is perfect for capturing a fantastic vision of any object. The camera has a 2.9K video resolution that provides stunning video recording. Besides, they have different quality complete lens collections for professional photography or video making. It can provide a 120-degree f/off lens and a 90-degree adjusting camera to capture vertical angles. Ruko F11 Pro provides more extended flight performance through battery or charging capability. Its 1,200 miles per hour required battery can give up to 30 minutes of flight time. They give one extra battery with packaging, which provides 60 minutes of exact flying time to all. Number 2, Contixo F24 Pro drones for under $400. If you want a cinematic view from the drone, Contixo F24 Pro 4K UHD foldable GPS drone is precisely it. It can get a quality full panoramic view of the world. I can confirm that it will be delightful to use this drone. However, to ensure the best video quality from the drone, you have to take an SD card. It can fly for around 30 minutes and has a 3D view. These drones are accessible to users with extraordinary features. Things like its GPS mode that comes with drone auto return home, VR, and auto tracking are adorable. This is the best beginner drone with a camera and GPS. So when you are searching for the best drone, Contixo F24 Pro 4K UHD Foldable RC is a great choice every time, because all drone users want a high-quality base drone with a budget-friendly drone. It is the best drone for under $300. The Contixo F24 foldable drone is pretty, and the high-quality build is quite impressive. Its item weight is just 1.14 pounds. And its dimension has 12 by 8 by 8 inches. When the drone you use, it gives a feeling of strength and power range excellent. The drone's extraordinary design can protect delicate parts of the device that are easy to use for the professional user. But it is highly foldable with a drone that comes equipped with brushless motors. This drone's unique design and build quality ensure you a smooth and powerful flight with a low chance of breakdown. If you plan hiking, that is exactly the perfect design and build for a simple backpack. Its camera is an essential part of the drone. The Contixo camera can give perfect footage. It can 90 degrees angle with a 5 GHz transmission camera lens that provides little bird shoot. The camera allows whole HD first-person viewing without any stunting images and videos. The camera has specific intelligent modes that give a 120 degrees FOV lens, a broad view of your memorable moment. It can outstart wide selfie 2.7K video for stunning clarity, deep contrast, vivid colors, and easy capturing. Number 3. DJI Mini 2 drones for under $400. The DJI Mini 2 boasts a 12MP camera that provides stunning footage in 4K resolution at 30 fps. The 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures you always get a smooth image that'll suit your photography needs. The 4x zoom feature ensures you can capture a large image from afar. There's no need to get too close to photograph your loved one or client. Just zoom in and zoom out. The DJI Mini saves you from the hassle of dealing with file registration because it weighs less than 250 grams. You can get the drone and fly it the same day if you want. It also has other awesome features like quick shots, which can automatically record footage with just a few taps and then be shared with your friends on social media. It can resist level 5 winds, take off at a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters, and give you a flight time of 31 minutes. DJI Mini 2 beginner friendly, powerful, and mini. Impressive performance, stunning image quality, and creative videos are just a few taps away. Explore an entirely new perspective, capturing the moments that make your life truly yours. Select from wide angle, 180 degrees, and sphere panoramas, and DJI Mini 2 will do the rest, generating a panoramic masterpiece almost instantly. The DJI Fly app features intelligent, built-in photo optimization. The app automatically enhances image quality after downloading a photo, resulting in vivid colors and details that pop. When Mini 2 is close to your smartphone, the DJI Fly app will automatically recognize and connect to the aircraft and synchronize selected photos and videos at 20 megabytes per second. Number 4. Ruko F11 Gym 2 drones for under $400. The Ruko F11 Gym 2 can resist level 6 winds and perform optimally in windy conditions thanks to its low noise brushless motor, which makes your drone footage very stable even in severe windy conditions. It comes with an intelligent GPS assist feature that makes flying easy. You can order your drone to return to you with just a few taps to prevent it from crashing or getting lost. It also has a dual battery to provide you with double flight time. Each battery can last up to 28 minutes, giving you a total flight time of 58 minutes. The power status is reported and monitored in real time. The 4K camera gives you clear footage at 30 fps. It also has a 2-axis gimbal to stabilize your footage. This prevents blurry images and gives your footage a sharp look. 2-axis gimbal reduces vibrations and ensures silky smooth footage, with 4K video at 30 fps offering plenty of detail. It minimizes blurring and compensates for camera shake. Built-in gyroscope ensures stable flight even in windy conditions. Brushless motors provide better control and stability. You can crank the speed up to 39 feet per second in sport mode. Number 5. DEERC DE22 drones for under $400. The DEERC DE22 came out on top as my best foldable drone under $400 for convenience. It also comes with a carrying case to make it convenient to carry your drone from one place to another. It comes with a 4K camera to give you a high picture resolution, a 100 degrees FOV and 80 degrees adjustable lens to capture a wide area, and a 5x zoom to capture footage from afar without being pixelated. Gimbal and its technology improve image stability and decrease blur. More reliable and clear footage made may be captured in 4K at 30 fps with this drone. Follow Me allows you to shoot complex photos with just your fingers. Waypoints and circle fly makes aerial photography easier by allowing the drone to fly autonomously along a specified course. Powerful brushless motors plus strong modular battery ensure DE22 Pro stable flight and having enough time to compose the perfect pictures. The advanced GPS navigation system and optical flow positioning make DE22 Pro safer, more reliable and have extraordinary anti-interference capabilities, offering you the ability to fly farther and more stable. Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest grant DE22 Pro perform intelligent flights, freeing your hands up. The emergency stop, smart return to home, GPS module and one key return can prevent DE22 Pro from losing to a great extent.